How's it going today, y'all? Colton Laidlaw here with Southland RV. I wanted to go ahead and bring you guys one of our new arrivals. All right, so today we've got the 2022 Forest River Surveyor Legend 19 BHLE. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and give you a walk around on the outside, and then I'll move on to the inside. Nice pass-through storage on the front side there. You do have a slide room with this unit. All right, moving on to the inside. Now, this is a pre-owned model, but they only used it a few times. It is in very, very good condition. Norcold 12-volt compressor fridge, same ones that come in the Airstreams. Alrighty, y'all, that is everything with the Forest River Surveyor Legend. Happy to help with any additional questions you guys might have. I'll have all of my information in the description below.